What's going on, man? What's going on?
Related to the welfare check I have on Alex Lane. Number one, can you advise the subject description for me, please?
Nova 1 is wearing only a pair of boxer shorts. He's in the middle of the road. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Get on the ground, man. I'm 10-4. I've got one at taser point right now. He's refusing to comply. Get on the ground, man. Just chill out. Chill out, man. Chill out.
Hey, man, get in the car.
Don't resist, brother. Thank you. Retard enforcement. Okay. Alright, thank you.
Holy shit.
Number 1, I got one tase. What's going on with you, man? Why are you acting like this? Are you okay?
How come you didn't see me get in the head? You were hiding.
Say what?
How come you didn't see me get in the head and you were hiding?
I don't understand what you're talking about, brother.
Hey, you got my cell phone?
What happened down here? Are you involved in anything?
So in the truck was all slammed. I don't know who he hit.
Alright,
Just
just
right
relax.
in the truck. But it wasn't there. Oh, he
Okay.
hit him? No. I hit a truck with him.
Come back around.
Yeah, I kind of avoided him getting in the truck. Started backing up and well, that's just because I had to get away.
Number 1, I got one tase.
I wanted away from my kids.
Alright, just relax, man. Chill out. Chill out, man.
Can you unlock me? Oh, please.
No, sir. Not because of the way you were acting.
I promise I won't do that again. Oh,
I would hope not.
that fucking hurts so bad.
I got another car coming. Yeah. You alright? Talk to me. Tell me what's going on with you. Where's your clothes?
I ran out of the house. I had a revelation, man. I thought nuclear bombs were coming. I was tricked. I was tricked, or it's gonna happen tomorrow. What's today? It's gonna happen on the 2nd, I think.
Today's the 2nd.
Oh shit! What's gonna happen? It's gonna happen. The nuke's gonna happen. It's gonna
I
blow.
need to get the barb out of his chest.
Oh my god! Something was about to happen.
Why'd you hit me?
I would never hit a cop. I never have him.
Why'd you hit my car?
I would have never.
Alright. Just relax a second. I'm gonna pull this out, okay?
Possessed. Ow! It hurts. I was possessed. Oh! I swear to God, I've never been through nothing like that. Not like that. Oh!
Down here in his groin.
Help, please. These hurt so bad.
You're fine.
I'm sorry for hitting you, but if I did, I don't think I did. I went right through you coming over here.
Now, are you able to stand up?
Oh, these hurt. Oh, they hurt.
Yeah, I'm alright.